Composition: dextromethorphan hydrobromide 15 mg 5 ml, chlorpheniramine malate 2 mg 5 ml, phenylpheniramine HCl 5 mg 5 ml. Product introduction: Khasi DX15 syrup is taken with or without food in a dose and duration as advised by the doctor. The dose you are given will depend on your condition and how you respond to the medicine. You should keep taking this medicine for as long as your doctor recommends. If you stop treatment too early, your symptoms may come back and your condition may worsen. Let your doctor know about all other medications you are taking, as some may affect or be affected by this medicine. The most common side effects are sedation, somnolence and dizziness. Most of these are temporary and usually resolve with time. Contact your doctor straight away if you are at all concerned about any of these side effects. If you experience dizziness and sleepiness, do not drive or do anything that requires mental focus until you know how this medicine affects you. Avoid drinking alcohol while taking this medicine, as it can make dizziness worse. It is beneficial to have plenty of fluids while taking this medication. Before taking it, you should tell your doctor if you have liver diseases so that your doctor can prescribe a suitable dose for you. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should also consult their doctor before taking this medicine. Uses of Khasi DX15 syrup. Treatment of dry cough, cold, sore throat. Benefits of Khasi DX15 syrup. A dry cough, also known as non-productive cough, is a cough where no phlegm or mucus is produced. This is irritating, usually associated with a tickly throat, and may be caused due to cold, flu, allergies or throat irritants. Khasi DX15 syrup suppresses dry, hacking coughs. It will also relieve allergy symptoms like watery eyes, sneezing, runny nose or throat irritation, and help you carry out your daily activities more easily. This medicine is safe and effective. Khasi DX15 syrup usually starts to work within a few minutes and the effects can last up to several hours. Take it as prescribed by the doctor. Do not stop using it unless you are advised to by your doctor. Side effects of Khasi DX15 syrup. Most side effects do not require any medical attention and disappear as your body adjusts to the medicine. Consult your doctor if they persist or if you are worried about them. Common side effects of Khasi DX15 syrup. Sleepiness, sedation, dizziness. How to use Khasi DX15 syrup. Take this medicine in the dose and duration as advised by your doctor. Check the label for directions before use. Measure it with a measuring cup and take it by mouth. Shake well before use. Khasi DX15 syrup may be taken with or without food, but it is better to take it at a fixed time. How Khasi DX15 syrup works. Khasi DX15 syrup is a combination